What if I told you that in 2026, the smartest car buyers are no longer buying brand new vehicles? That's right. While most people rush into dealerships chasing shiny new models, the real winners are quietly walking away with luxury-level machines for half the price. But here's the shocking truth. The used car market has completely transformed. Artificial intelligence pricing tools, dealer inventory wars, electric vehicle depreciation, and even Toyota's radical shift toward hydrogen technology are reshaping how vehicles hold their value. And if you don't understand these changes, you could easily overpay by thousands of dollars. But today, we're breaking down the ultimate step-by-step strategy to dominate the used car market in 2026. From timing your purchase like a Wall Street trade, to uncovering hidden dealer discounts, and even spotting future-proof technologies like hydrogen-powered platforms that could reshape resale value. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to buy smarter, negotiate harder, and drive away with a deal that feels almost illegal. Let's dive in. The used car market today is nothing like it was 5 years ago. Back then, buying used meant accepting compromises. Older technology, lower reliability, and sometimes questionable vehicle history. But 2026 has rewritten the rules. Modern vehicles are engineered to last 200,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. That means a 3-year-old car today might still have 90% of its lifespan remaining. But something else is happening behind the scenes. A massive technological transition is underway. Electric vehicles, hydrogen-powered drivetrains, hybrid systems, and advanced combustion engines are all competing for dominance. And this technological war is creating massive price swings in the used car market. Take electric vehicles, for example. Many EVs lose value faster because new battery technologies constantly improve range and charging speeds. Meanwhile, certain combustion trucks and hybrid vehicles are holding value better than ever. And then there's Toyota. Instead of going all in on batteries like most automakers, Toyota has quietly been building something radically different. A hydrogen combustion ecosystem, one designed to deliver massive torque, long-range capability, and zero carbon emissions without the massive weight penalties of lithium-ion batteries. Why does this matter for used car buyers? Because vehicles powered by future-proof technology often maintain stronger resale value. Understanding this transition is the first step to buying smart in 2026. The second secret to getting the best deal is timing. Most people buy cars when they need one, but smart buyers treat vehicle purchases like strategic investments. There are 3 key moments in the year when used car prices drop dramatically. The first is late December. Dealerships are desperate to clear inventory before year-end accounting closes. That means sales managers are often willing to slash thousands off a vehicle just to hit their targets. The second golden window happens in late summer. That's when dealerships begin stocking next-year models. Older inventory suddenly becomes less desirable, and used car prices fall. But the most underrated buying window, right after a major automotive technology announcement. When automakers reveal breakthroughs, like hydrogen-powered trucks or next-generation EV batteries, older models instantly lose some perceived value. And that's when opportunity strikes. Imagine a used truck with incredible towing power suddenly discounted because buyers are distracted by the latest hydrogen prototype. Smart buyers see through the hype. They recognize value where others see outdated technology, and they capitalize on it. Here's something dealerships rarely talk about. Used car pricing today is controlled by AI-driven valuation systems. Dealers no longer guess vehicle prices. Instead, they rely on massive databases tracking millions of transactions across the country. These systems analyze market demand, local inventory levels, vehicle history, mileage, and even online search trends. The result? Dynamic pricing that can change weekly or even daily. But here's the trick most buyers don't know. Dealers still leave negotiation room, because while the AI suggests a price, sales managers still need to close deals quickly to keep inventory moving. Every day a used car sits on the lot costs the dealership money, insurance, storage, interest on floor plan financing. So if a vehicle has been sitting for 30 days or longer, the dealer may already be ready to negotiate, but you have to ask the right questions. Instead of asking, "Can you lower the price?" Ask this, "How long has this vehicle been in your inventory?" That single question reveals the dealer's weakest point. And that's when the negotiation begins. Now let's talk about something that could reshape the automotive market. Hydrogen-powered vehicles. While most automakers chase battery electric cars, Toyota is building something completely different, a hydrogen combustion ecosystem. Instead of storing massive lithium-ion batteries weighing thousands of pounds, these vehicles store liquid hydrogen in ultra-secure cryogenic tanks. The hydrogen then powers either fuel cells or combustion engines engineered to burn hydrogen cleanly. The result? Zero carbon emissions. But with something EVs struggle to deliver in heavy-duty applications. Raw mechanical power. For trucks, towing, and industrial vehicles, weight matters, and massive battery packs add serious mass. Hydrogen systems can deliver similar energy output with significantly less weight, meaning more payload capacity, more towing power, and faster refueling times. Why does this matter for used car buyers? Because when major technology transitions happen, certain vehicles suddenly become more valuable. Just like diesel trucks gained value during fuel efficiency revolutions, hydrogen-compatible platforms could become the next hidden investment in the used car market. Now let's talk about the moment where most buyers make their biggest mistake. Vehicle inspection. A used car might look flawless on the outside, but hidden problems can cost thousands later. That's why professionals follow a simple 3-layer inspection strategy. First comes the visual inspection. Look for uneven paint, panel gaps, or mismatched body parts. These can signal past accidents. Second comes the mechanical check. Listen carefully during a test drive. Strange vibrations, delayed acceleration, or unusual braking noises can reveal deeper mechanical issues. And finally, the digital inspection. Modern vehicles store huge amounts of data. Plugging in an OBD scanner can reveal hidden engine codes or system errors that aren't visible on the dashboard. This step alone can prevent buying a car with expensive hidden problems. Negotiation is where the real deal happens, and most buyers approach it the wrong way. They try to pressure the salesperson, but experienced negotiators do the opposite. They stay calm, confident, and patient. One powerful strategy is called the silent pause. After the dealer presents a price, simply pause. No response. Silence creates pressure, and often the salesperson will speak first, offering a better deal. Another powerful tactic is the walk-away method. If negotiations stall, politely thank them and begin leaving. Dealers know that once a customer walks out, they might never come back, and that's when the real discounts appear. Financing is where dealerships often recover the discounts they give on the vehicle itself. Interest rates, loan terms, add-ons. All of these can quietly inflate the final price. The smartest buyers secure financing before visiting the dealership. Banks and credit unions often offer lower interest rates, and arriving with pre-approved financing gives you powerful leverage. Now the dealer must compete for your loan business, which can lead to even better deals. Finally, think about the future. The automotive world is entering a massive technological transformation. Electric vehicles, hydrogen combustion engines, AI-assisted driving systems. Vehicles are evolving faster than ever before. So when buying used, ask yourself one key question. Will this vehicle still feel relevant in 5 years? Features like advanced driver assistance systems, modern infotainment platforms, and efficient powertrains help protect resale value. Because the smartest used car buyers aren't just saving money today, they're protecting their investment tomorrow. The truth about buying a used car in 2026 is simple. It's no longer about luck. It's about strategy, understanding market timing, recognizing technological shifts, mastering negotiation, and thinking like an investor. Because when you combine these strategies, you don't just buy a car, you unlock a deal that most people never even realize exists. And as the automotive world evolves, whether through electric vehicles, hydrogen-powered trucks, or futuristic AI-driven platforms, one thing remains constant. Smart buyers always stay ahead of the curve. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of car buying, don't forget to subscribe to FutureRide for more cinematic AI-powered automotive stories about the machines shaping tomorrow, today. And now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when buying a used car? Negotiating price? Finding reliable vehicles? Or choosing between electric, hybrid, and hydrogen technology? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, drive smart, stay curious, and keep exploring the future of mobility.